Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on learning JavaScript for ServiceNow. My name is Sandeep. I am a senior ServiceNow expert with extensive experience in customizing and optimizing ServiceNow products. Today, we are diving into some of the fundamental concepts of JavaScript. If statement, else statement, else if statement, switch statement, for loop, and while loop. These are essential for making decisions in your code and controlling the flow of execution. The conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. We use if to specify a block of code to be executed if a specified condition is true. And we use else to specify a block of code to be executed if the same condition is false. And we use else if to specify a new condition to test if the first condition is false. And vice versa, we use the switch to specify many alternative blocks of code to be executed. So let's look at a simple example. Here we are assigning the temperature of a value of 30 and given the if condition. In this case, if the temperature is greater than 25, it logs that it's a hot day. Pretty straightforward, right? While coming to the else statement, we use the else statement to specify a block of code to be executed if the condition is false. Here is the syntax of the else statement. Here, if the age is less than 18, it logs as a minor. Otherwise, it logs as an other. This ensures all possible outcomes are being covered. Next, we have else if statement, which allows us to check multiple conditions. This is the syntax for the else if condition. So here, this code checks the score and logs the corresponding grade. If the score is 90 or above, it logs grade A. If it's between 75 and 89, it logs grade B. Otherwise, it logs as grade C. While coming to the switch statement, the switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. We use the switch statement to select one of many code blocks to be executed. Here is the syntax of the switch statement. This is how it works. The switch expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. If there is no match, the default code block is executed. To explain the switch statement in a simple example, here is the code below. This example uses the weekday number to calculate the weekday name. Here, the getDay method returns the weekday as a number between 0 and 6, like the Sunday is equal to 0, Monday is equal to 1, Tuesday is equal to 2. Coming to the loops can execute a block of code a number of times. The loops are very handy if you want to run the same code over and over again, each time with a different value. Simple example for let I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. From this example, you can read the expression 1 sets the variable before the loop starts, that is let I is equal to 0. And with the expression 2, it defines the condition for the loop to run. I must be less than 5. And here in the space of expression 3, it increases the value of I plus plus each time the code block in the loop has been executed. Coming to the while loop. The loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is being true. Here, this is a syntax of the while condition. So here in the example, this loop will also run 5 times, but it's useful when you don't know in advance how many times you need to repeat a block of code. We use for loop when you know the number of iterations, and we use the while loop when the number of iterations depend upon a condition which is being met. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Thank you.